Welcome to the channel, everybody. We are going to be using hyperCLEAN AWX Acid Wheel Cleaner. I'm going to walk you through an easy process here. The process is simple. No touch, no scrub, using our new Acid Wheel Cleaner and TRX on the rubber for a quick cleanup. Just take it, make sure it's not on a hot wheel. Great thing about this wheel cleaner, this acid wheel cleaner we got, not a heavy acid smell. We've toned that down with a little bit of a different scent. So it's not that traditional harsh, really hard to deal with acid but you notice I'm wearing gloves. This is a very strong acid wheel cleaner. I have this diluted down 3-to-1 for a quick clean. But the point of this is to not scrub. You can put this in a sprayer. I just wanted to show it to people that don't have a sprayer. You can use it in, you can just use it with a normal trigger. I'll take TRX. So notice I'm letting AWX set up on the wheel. I'm not worried about it. I'm here in the shade. And this is to have a no touch. And then you take some of the TRX and it starts to help neutralize so you don't burn wheels. You don't have to do this step. I'm just going to do it so I can show you a very good way to handle this. What you're going to see is, this is as close to I just backed the car out. That's why you're seeing a little bit of smoke, but the wheels aren't hot. I can put my hands on them, no issues. Brakes aren't hot. Chemical's not drying on there, just a little part of the wheel. But again, if I had these in some type of sprayer, IK or Miralex or whatever you want to use, but the purpose of this is to no touch these wheels, right? You obviously can agitate, you can do whatever you want, but I wanted to show just how efficient this can be. I've been using it for a while, obviously through testing, but you can see I'm just going to let it dwell. And I don't want to cut anything. I don't want anybody to think that we have to cut the video. So at this point in time, we're just watching it dwell. And something that you can do, there's not a lot of dirt on this rubber, is just go back and spray this a little bit more thoroughly while you're waiting. Go do another wheel. That's what I would normally do, but I'm sitting here on camera. So I'm just getting the little cracks and crevices and all that good stuff. But the great thing is, man, no harsh smell. The team did an awesome job, Marshall and our team at HQ. AWX being built in-house. We're building an acid for the first time. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. And it's a little bit new school where it's not such all that old school acid that gets in your lungs and, makes you feel horrible after you use it. Just use it very intelligently, and this will be a nice little tool in your arsenal. Got a lot of stuff going on here at the shop, if you can hear it. I tried to sound cancel on the microphone, but we got all kinds of hustling and bustling here at the shop. This is ready to rinse. I could let it hang out here longer. One of the things you'll see is the acid really clings. It's one of the things I love, but here we go. One of the things that's important with acid wheel cleaner is to rinse it thoroughly. Don't get lazy with the rinse. We got no dirt left behind. Got no dirt in the barrel left behind. This is, these are German brakes. Been driven a lot over the last 2-3 weeks. And It's just, there's no dirt, nothing left behind. Now, let's say you have a dirty wheel and you need a little extra firepower, just go right back in with acid, right? You can still do no touch. Obviously, agitate is a move here, but this was a no touch wheel, didn't touch the rubber, didn't touch anything. It's a nice little maintenance, quick maintenance you can do. I want to reiterate, make sure you rinse the acid off the wheel. You don't want it sitting there. So make sure you do things thoroughly. And I'll show you the finished result of everything with AWX at the end, but I'm extremely happy with this product, and I think you guys will be too. Now, what are some features of our acid? Number one, you don't have that harsh acid smell, but you have all the power of a traditional acid. It's safer. It's a mix of more modern acids, but same power that you're used to. For those that have never used an acid, one of the problems with acid is you can't get it to cling. So if you see right here where we're still getting some to cling, a lot of acid just runs off. Of course, you're going to have some runoff off vertical, but you can still see, look at this hanging around with dwell time. So that's very important to think about with these types of chemicals is I want dwell time. I want it to stay in place as best it can, which most traditional acids, most acids on the market have no cling time. We worked hard on that. And again, this is a no-touch maintenance that I'm doing on this car. You can use it on hammered wheels. That's where it's going to work best, obviously, for you. But I can use this in my maintenance program. I can use it on my, this is, you know, if you look, I'm not trying to strip this. This dressing is not in bad shape. I don't need to strip it down. So this car was perfect for as quickly as I could do it. I don't have much time. So it just speeds things up. If you're not comfortable with acids, this is a good first one to try. We specifically only have it in gallons for one reason, so you can dilute it to make yourself feel comfortable if you're first time using it. And you guys are seeing that it's making it look like this is a hot wheel. It's not a hot wheel. I can grab it, I can touch it. Just make sure your wheel is nice and cool. So I just spray some TRX on top to neutralize anything that I want. You don't need to do this. It's just I'm here. And so it's a good thing to do. We are making this in-house, which I'm really proud of. And it just has a lot of features that I know people get nervous with acid, but those of you that use it, there's nothing like just being able to spray this on, let it dwell. You can still see that some of the acid back in here is still there. So this is a cool wheel. Look, I can touch. It's not a hot wheel. I just had to back it out of the shop, so you're seeing some residuals from that. But this is not a hot wheel. You know, you can see that this stuff is dwelling really well, giving it time to work. Do not do this in direct sunlight. You can use it in direct sunlight, but you need to get it off, obviously. I would not advise using it in direct sunlight at all, but I know some of you will. Just make sure you rinse it off rather quickly. And if we keep looking at this, look at all this dwell time that I have. And that's what, to me, a lot of times we don't talk about. I want to get better in these lugs here, is how important that dwell time is, right? And being able to let this stuff set up, I got time, so I'm just going to spray a little bit more TRX. And if I had this in, you know, I could have this in a keg sprayer, I could have it in all kinds of foamers and different things like that. I wanted to show you don't need a lot. You know, you don't need a lot of effort. You don't use a ton of product. I mean, this is very cost effective. So again, if you've been looking for an acid, I'm really happy that we've developed this acid. Let me get my gun here, and we're good to go. We're ready to spray it off. Just make sure you're methodical with rinsing it off. Water helps neutralize it, all that kind of stuff, but you need to get it off the wheel. And as you can see, there's no dirt left. Even in these upper parts, there's no brake dust. Anybody that knows German brake dust, we got nothing left behind. And it's a great product for hammered wheels, for maintenance, for everything. Does this replace Fuego for most people? They're gonna have to make that call. I still use Fuego when I feel like I got a lot of iron contamination on a wheel, but acid absolutely is something you should think about using. And if you see, we got water behavior. It doesn't damage. We got some products we're testing on these wheels. It doesn't take that off. It's an incredibly safe product if used properly. Go check it out, hyperCLEAN store. We got it in the store now, and I am so excited and so grateful to our team for what they've done with this product. So I think you guys will love it.